Ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? You're juggling tasks, deadlines looming, and your team is scattered across different locations. Sound familiar? That's where project management tools come in. They're the digital heroes swooping in to save the day, streamlining workflows, keeping everyone on the same page, and hopefully, saving you a whole lot of stress. Asana is a big name in this arena, but is it the only option? Absolutely not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Asana competitors, exploring some of the best project management tools vying for your throne. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the perfect fit for your team. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a large enterprise, the contenders emerge. A look at Asana's biggest competitors. First up, let's address the elephant in the room. Asana shines with its intuitive interface, flexible board views, and robust task management features. It's a great all-rounder, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. Here are some of Asana's main competitors, each with their own strengths and quirks. Trello. Trello's all about keeping things visual. Imagine a giant digital whiteboard filled with sticky notes. That's Trello's core concept. It uses cards and boards to represent tasks and projects, making it a fantastic tool for agile teams who love a clear overview. Monday.com. This one prides itself on being super customizable. You can build dashboards, automate workflows, and tailor it to pretty much any project management style. It's a great option for teams who need a high level of flexibility. ClickUp. ClickUp throws everything but the kitchen sink at you. Tasks, docs, chat, calendars. It's an all-in-one project management powerhouse. This can be amazing for keeping everything centralized, but it might feel overwhelming for smaller teams. Airtable walks the line between spreadsheet and project management tool. It uses a grid-based interface where you can customize fields and views to fit your specific needs. If your team thrives on spreadsheets, Airtable could be a game changer. Nectardesk. This up-and-comer focuses heavily on team communication and collaboration. It integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Slack and Google Drive, making it easy for teams to stay connected and share information. Choosing your champion, matching features to your needs. Alright, so we've met the contenders. But how do you pick the right one for your team? Here are some key factors to consider. Team size and structure. Solopreneur? Opt for something simple. Large, complex team. Look for robust features and scalability. Project complexity. Managing simple to-do lists? Most tools will do. Handling intricate projects with multiple dependencies? Prioritize strong task management features. Budget. Freemium options exist, but premium plans often unlock the best features. Consider your budget and what functionalities are essential. Integrations. Does your team rely on specific tools like Slack or Dropbox? Make sure your chosen project management platform integrates seamlessly. Beyond the big names. Exploring niche options. The project management landscape is vast. If none of the above tickle your fancy, fear not. Here are some niche options that might be your perfect fit. For creatives, try tools like Asana or Trello, or explore specialized options like Basecamp or Teamwork. These cater to creative workflows with features for file sharing, feedback loops, and mood boards. For developers, tools like Jira or GitHub offer robust features specifically designed for software development teams. They excel at issue tracking, code version control, and agile methodologies. For freelancers, solopreneurs and freelancers might find tools like Todoist or TickTick particularly useful. These focus on individual task management and productivity, keeping you laser-focused on getting things done. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best project management tool is the one that perfectly complements your team's workflow and needs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Many tools offer free trials, so take them for a spin and see which one feels most intuitive and efficient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.